Hello, I'm Doug Drobich with Banner Fire Equipment. Today I'm here to talk to you about Genesis E-Force rescue tools. The rescue tools are available in 2 different spreaders, 4 sizes of cutters, 4 sizes of rams, and 3 sizes of combination tools. The spreaders are available in a 24 and a 32-inch spread. The Genesis cutters are available up to 10 inches and also available with the next gen hardened tool steel blades that are field replaceable. Our rams are available up to a 54-inch extension, and the combination tools are available from 11 to 17 inches of spread. Genesis E-Force battery-powered tools give you the advantage of power, balance, and speed to make your rescues a lot more efficient. To find out more about Genesis rescue tools, please contact your local Banner representative to arrange a demonstration.